And that is what a visual representation of what happens when you install iOS 16 on your iPhone. It goes kaboom. What's up, everyone? This is All I Talk is Tech, and in this video, I will be explaining all the reasons you do not want to get iOS 16 on your device. Now, I will be discussing why it can harm your device physically and why there are so many software reasons and risks that you can easily prevent just by not installing iOS 16. So, iOS 16 is the new iPhone update that is coming out very shortly. And literally in about a month, the beta for developers will be released, and that is when everyone looks up on YouTube how to get iOS 16 beta and all that sort of stuff. But in this video, I'll be explaining why you do not want to install iOS 16 when it is first released, even to the developer beta, because it will destroy your device, and let me explain why. So the first and most important reason why you do not want to install this beta on your iPhone is because the new beta update will destroy your iPhone battery. Now, everyone knows that the new beta update will make you have less battery life, but that's not what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about the overall battery health of your iPhone. This is the total charging capacity that even when you switch to the real version of iOS, your iPhone battery will be destroyed, and here is why, even if you switch back and downgrade. So, this is why the beta updates destroy your iPhone battery. These beta updates require more processing power, and they are so much more buggy, so your iPhone is constantly on, flooring it, trying to process everything, even for simple tasks. If you're on a beta update, your device will heat up because there are so many more background processes and it's super buggy, and your iPhone will always be hot. And just by having a hot iPhone constantly, that literally destroys the iPhone battery life. Here I have my iPhone 13, and here I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max. And the 11 Pro Max has always had beta updates on it, and the battery life is destroyed. You can see it's at 83%, and my iPhone's literally telling me something's wrong with this battery. Now, it's not because I've dropped it, and I have videos in the past explaining literally every iPhone I install a beta on, the battery life gets destroyed. Long term, it is awful. So if you want to keep the longevity of your iPhone battery life, do not install this update. Just stay away from it and wait till Apple officially releases it when the bugs are removed. Now, another reason you do not want to install this update is because app support will be terrible. There will be moments where you're going to try to open up an app, you'll be doing something important, and halfway through, it'll crash. Or let alone, once you install the update, for example, Snapchat might not even be supported, and the camera won't work. So you at least don't want to install this update on your main device. And I've had these things happen to me before. There are also boot loops that can occur. There have been times where I have updated my iDevice, and then it got stuck in a boot loop, and I had to reset the whole phone and lose all my data in order to fix the phone. So that can happen if you are on a beta. So stay away from that because this is a beta. People forget that and then they complain and their devices are broken. So I just don't want y'all to get frustrated with all of those problems. Now, if you wait till Apple releases it to the public, it should be better. Anyways, that is about it for today. Thank y'all so much for watching, and as always, peace.